Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to build a powerful trading strategy with the Volume Forex Trendoscope indicator to detect trade opportunities in the market. The Volume Forex indicator is a comprehensive research tool that combines two innovative techniques, recursive auto pitchfork and angled volume profile. This indicator provides traders valuable insights into price dynamics by integrating accurate pitchfork drawing and volume analysis over angled levels. The indicator does the following things. Detects pitchfork formations automatically on the chart over recursive zigzag. Instead of drawing forks based on fib levels, volume distribution over the ABC of a pitchfork is calculated and drawn in the direction of the handle. A pitchfork is drawn when the price forms an ABC pattern. Pitchfork draws a series of parallel lines in the direction of trend which can be used for support and resistance. There are many methods of drawing pitchfork. In all cases, a line joining B and C will make the base of the pitchfork, and fork lines are drawn from different points of the base. All the fork lines will be parallel. But the handle of the base defines the direction of fork lines. Classification of pitchfork is mainly based on the starting and ending points of the handle. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword Volume Forex Trendoscope and select the Volume Forex Trendoscope EP by Trendoscope on the TradingView Indicator Community Scripts folder. As we can see, here is the trading indicator. Before I proceed to educate you about how this trading indicator works, I need to highlight this indicator and its purpose so you can have a quick understanding of how this indicator works. To do this, we need to right-click on the indicator and navigate to the Settings option. Here are the parameter settings of this indicator. It's advisable to leave the default settings. Under the Input settings, there is the Chart Theme setting. Line and label colors are generated based on the theme settings. If a dark theme is selected, lighter colors are used, and if a light theme is selected, darker colors are used. There is the zigzag section setting. Under the zigzag setting, there is the length and depth. The zigzag length for level 0 zigzag is 13 by default. Zigzag depth refers to the max number of pivots to show on the chart, and by default it's 50. Traders can check or uncheck the Use Real-Time Bars option. If enabled, this will use real-time bars for calculation. Otherwise, only confirmed bars are used. Under the pitchfork settings, there is the type, ratio, forks percentile, and use confirmed pivots. The type has 3 available options to choose from, and they are Andrews, Schiff, Schiff. By default, Andrews and Inside are selected. The ratio value is 0.25 and the range ratio for which drawing pitchfork is allowed is 1. Andrews pitchfork handle starts from A and joins the base at mid of B and C. Forks are drawn based on fib ratios from the handle. Schiff pitchfork handle starts from bar of A and price of the middle of AB and joins the base at mid of B and C. Forks are drawn based on fib ratios from the handle. Modified Schiff pitchfork handle starts from mid of A and B and joins the base at mid of B and C. Forks are drawn based on fib ratios from the handle. While for the inside types, C will act as the end of the handle which joins base BC. Andrews pitchfork inside handle starts from A and joins the base at C. Forks are drawn based on fib ratios from the handle. Schiff pitchfork inside handle starts from bar of A and price of A plus B divided 2 and joins the base at C. Forks are drawn based on fib ratios from the handle. Modified Schiff pitchfork inside handle starts from mid of A and B and joins the base at C. Forks are drawn based on fib ratios from the handle. Forks is set to 100 by default. How does the Volume Forex Trendoscope indicator work in the market? The working concept of this trading indicator is based on the idea of figuring out the price swing from point A to B and to C. Point A is the starting point, which is the impulse wave in an uptrend. Point B is the corrective wave swing in the uptrend. While point C is the test of the ascending line of the pitchfork that has the potential to begin the next impulsive move in the uptrend. To execute a buy setup, traders need to patiently wait to see the points ABC to be formed on the pitchfork tool. Once point C is formed on the price chart, then traders can look out for the execution of the buy trade to flow along the direction of the uptrend. In the second example in this price chart, the market was in an uptrend after the price made a counter-trend price flow. The pitchfork indicator plotted point C. Traders can set stop loss at the low swing of point C and target the high of point B as take profit 1. And the next resistance structure in the price chart as the take profit 2. Let's study the third chart example on the daily chart of USD Japanese Yen. This price chart was in a bullish trending market right from the low swing here as point A. The price made a halt and the price resulted in a strong bearish pullback in the uptrend. The peak is the point B. The bearish price swing stopped at point C. This indicator gave the early try of the continuation of this uptrend at point C. The test of the ascending trend line plotted by this indicator acted as another support for the price pullback when tested at this zone. To execute a sell setup, traders need to patiently wait to see the points ABC to be formed on the pitchfork tool. Point A is the impulsive bearish swing in the downtrend. Point B is the counter-trend bullish price swing in the downtrend. Once point C is formed on the price chart in the downtrend, then traders can look out for the execution of the sell trade to flow along the direction of the downtrend. In the second example in this price chart, the market was in a downtrend after the price made a counter-trend bullish price flow. The pitchfork indicator plotted point C. Traders can set stop loss at the high swing of point C and target the low of point B as take profit 1. And the next support structure in the price chart as the take profit 2. Let's study the third chart example on the daily chart of USD Swiss. This price chart was in a bearish trending market right from the high swing here as point A. The price made a halt and the price resulted in a bullish pullback in the downtrend. The low is the point B. The bullish counter-trend price swing stopped at point C. This indicator gave the early try of the continuation of this downtrend at point C. Here is another formation of the volume Forex Trendoscope indicator in action on this price chart. It gave another continuation of the downtrend market. This is an important tool for swing traders and traders who are looking to trade only in the direction of the market trend. In order to have a better trading result, it is essential to only apply this tool to trade in a liquid and trending market.